So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to translate text here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Microsoft Word document. Once that is done, you then have to go ahead and type in whatever text you're looking for. So for this demonstration, I'll be translating the text from English into another language, for example, such as French or Spanish or whatever the case may be here. So I will just simply type in, this is an example of translating text. Just like that, I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Now, once that is done, as you can tell, this is done in English. If you want to translate this to another language, it's fairly straightforward. Go to the top here to where it says home, slide all the way to the right until you come across review right here, press on review. Now at the top here, a bunch of different settings for you, a bunch of different options for you. There's editor, read aloud, check accessibility, translate language. So we want to go ahead here and type in translate right here. So press on the drop down right here. And what I will do actually is just highlight the text right here, press on the drop down and go to translate selection. Now on the right, there is the translator tab right here. So if you want to go, for example, from English to another language, you can just go ahead here and press on English and then change this to whatever language you want. So for example, if I wanted to do, let's just say French, for example, right here, French, you can go ahead and do this. So then it translates to the French. You can press on Insert and it'll take a couple seconds. And there you go. You've now translated the selected text into another language here on Microsoft Word. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple, but this is how to translate text to another language here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.